What if I told you that your voice, the same one you use to order tacos at 2 a.m., or yell at your dog for chewing sneakers, could actually make you thousands of dollars a month? Sounds wild, right? But it is true. Right now, there is a booming industry where everyday people are making serious side hustle money just by using their voice. And before you say, but my voice is not Morgan Freeman level, let me stop you. You do not need to sound like a Hollywood actor to succeed as a voiceover artist. In fact, brands and businesses are looking for authentic, relatable voices, voices that sound like, well, you and me. Here's the deal. From YouTube videos and podcasts to e-learning courses, commercials, and even video games, voiceover work is everywhere. And with platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and online ads exploding, demand for voiceover talent is higher than ever. So today, I am going to break down exactly how you can start a voiceover side hustle that pays, step by step. Whether you have got a silky, smooth radio voice, a quirky, unique tone, or just solid reading skills, there is a niche out there for you. Grab some water because your vocal cords are about to become a business asset. Let's dive in. Number 1, what is voiceover work? Really? Let's start with the basics. Voiceover work is when you record your voice for a project, like narrating a video, doing character voices, or reading scripts for commercials. It is not just cartoons or blockbuster movie trailers, it's 1 YouTube channels needing narrators, 2 e-learning courses that need clear, friendly voices, 3 businesses making ads, 4 even meditation apps that need calm, soothing tones. So now you are probably wondering, okay, but how much money are we talking here? Number 2, how much can you make as a voiceover artist? This is where it gets exciting. Rates can vary widely, but here are some real numbers. 1, short projects like a 30-second ad might pay $50 to $150. 2, audiobook narration can pay $1,000 plus for a full-length project. 3, experienced voiceover pros often make $200 to $500 per hour. And yes, there are people pulling in full-time incomes, $60,000, $80,000, even 6 figures once they build up experience. But the best part? You do not need to quit your day job to start. You can build this up in your spare time. Number 3, do you need a radio voice? This is the number 1 misconception. You do not need to sound like Don LaFontaine saying, in a world clients want voices that match their audience. A local bakery ad might want a warm, friendly mom vibe. A gaming YouTube channel might want an excited, energetic teen tone. A meditation app? Calm and slow. So whatever your voice is, there is probably a market for it. But before you start recording voice memos on your iPhone and calling it a business, let's talk about the gear. 4, the equipment. You actually need good news. You do not need a $5,000 studio to start. Here is the starter kit. 1, USB microphone like Blue Yeti or Audio-Technica, AT2020. 2, pop filter. The screen that stops those P sounds from exploding. 3, quiet space. Even a closet full of clothes works as a mini sound booth. 4, free software like Audacity or GarageBand to record and edit. Total investment? Under $200 to get started. But even with the best mic, if you do not know where to find clients, you are just talking to yourself. Let's fix that. 5, where to find voiceover gigs. Here is where the money starts rolling in. 1, freelance platforms, Fiverr, Upwork, Voices.com. 2, audiobooks, ACX, Amazon's platform. 3, content creators. Reach out to YouTubers, podcasters, or course creators. 4, local businesses. Think radio ads, explainer videos, or phone systems. Press 1 for sales. Pro tip, do not underestimate smaller gigs. Doing 5 $50 jobs a week is $1,000 per month on the side. But here's the real game changer. Building a portfolio that makes you stand out. 6, building your voice demo reel. A demo reel is your voice resume. It is a short 1 to 2-minute audio sample that shows your range. Include 1, a conversational clip. 2, a professional Tasias serious clip. 3, something fun, like a character or upbeat ad. You don't need Hollywood production quality at first, just clean audio and confident delivery. And once you have got your demo, the next step is marketing yourself like a pro. 7, how to market yourself as a voiceover artist. This is where most beginners struggle. Do not just sit on Fiverr and hope. Actively market. 1, post short samples on TikTok or Instagram Reels. 2, share behind-the-scenes clips of your recording setup. 3, network with content creators, DM YouTubers, or podcasters who might need your voice. The more you put yourself out there, the more people see you as the go-to voice. But wait, what if you are worried you are not good enough yet? That's where practice comes in. 8, practicing and improving your voice skills. Voiceover is like working out. You get better with reps. Here's how to practice. 1, Read books or news articles out loud every day. 2. Record yourself, then listen back for clarity and tone. 3. Try tongue twisters to improve diction. She sells seashells? Yeah, that one. Even 10 minutes of daily practice adds up fast. And here's the fun part. Once you have built some momentum, you can actually scale this hustle into something bigger. 9. Scaling your voiceover side. Hustle, there are a few ways to scale. 1. Raise your rates as you build experience. 2. Specialize audiobooks, e-learning, ads, or animation. 3. Diversify offer-related services like scriptwriting, editing, or producing. Some voiceover artists even build agencies hiring other voices to take on bigger projects. That's when you go from side hustle to full-blown business. So let's recap. 1. Voiceover work is everywhere. 2. You don't need a perfect voice, just the right tone for the right project. 3. Basic gear is cheap and easy to set up. 4. You can find gigs on Fiverr, ACX, and beyond. 5. A demo reel is your ticket to standing out. 6. Practice makes progress. 7. And over time, you can scale into serious money. By now, you have gone from wait, people get paid for this, to having a roadmap for turning your voice into income. So tell me in the comments, what do people usually say about your voice? Do they call it calming, funny, unique? I want to know. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe for more side hustle ideas, and share it with a friend who talks way too much. They might as well get paid for it. And don't go anywhere because in my next video, we are breaking down drop shipping in 2025. Start with no inventory. If you have ever dreamed of running an online store without filling your garage with boxes, you won't want to miss that one. Until then, warm up those vocal cords and remember your voice could literally be your paycheck.